Now look, you've got to start being a better loser. I'm serious, really. We have thousands of people in my Discord. We win every day. And almost every trade, the minute we take it, it just starts printing money. It goes green right away. Our percentages go up and up. We set our trailing stops and, well, we make money. And you can check it out for free in the Discord. But here's the thing. Once in a while, some of my lifetime members that get to chat in our Discord, well, they get upset because every once in a while, there's a trade that goes red first before it goes green. And they panic if you don't make money the first hour of a trade. And God forbid that we have a loser. Because guys, we have losers in this game. If the game was easy, if being a stock trader was a piece of cake, first of all, everybody would do it and we'd all be rich. Instead, you have to work hard a little bit, and we do get rich at copyandwin.com. Sales pitch. But here's my point. You have to get comfortable with the concept of losing. Losing is part of winning. You need to lose once in a while and win more often than you lose to be a winning stock trader, because it's just unrealistic to think you'll never lose a trade. And it's childish. Everybody, the best traders in the world, we lose once in a while. The key is having a great winning percentage, and the key is knowing how to manage stop losses so you never lose a lot of money on your losing trades, but you make a lot of money on all your winners. Now, I've talked about it before, but somebody today in my Discord, well, they just reminded me that they needed to hear it again. So I decided, let's make another YouTube video and let's really drive the point home. You have to be a good loser in order to be a great winner. Accept the losses, throw everything in a spreadsheet, calculate how much money you're making even with the occasional loss. And as soon as you get comfortable with losing and stop becoming overly emotional with your losers, you'll find you sleep great at night and that you always win more than you lose. At least we do at copyandwin.com. I'll be back.